welcome to Bel Air Finishing Lab. Here we are today with a customer that's doing 3D printing in acrylic, and these are all components that they designed to make a layout, and they're coming to us to do the post-processing to get a part with a matte finish over the whole piece. We've gone from the finishing operation to an ultrasonic cleaning operation here with a batch of parts. Here's our parts that have now been dried in a vibratory finisher. And here's our matte finish part complete for the customer.